Nizam al-Mulk was criticized for having a budget for scholarships and developing scholarship that almost matched the defense budget. So you can imagine that if you have a minister who says, I want the budget for scholarship to be equal to the defense budget, you probably won't have the US of A. Because this is mind-boggling, that the amount of investments that these early Muslims made into scholarship is simply astronomical. And it is because of those monetary investments that scholars became scholars. If you invest in the brains of people, you'll get geniuses and super geniuses. If you don't invest, then you'll get probably what you invest. And that is just the order of the day today. And unfortunately, post-colonial, I think, Muslim countries and post-colonial Muslim thought, I think, understands this point very, very clearly, that nobody wants to sponsor a scholar. The idea of scholarships for someone, a student of knowledge, is all but non-existent in the Muslim world, except a few people who are, mashallah, kind and generous. But I was that Nizam al-Mulk really turned the tables. And his Sultan, Ar-Salan, asked him, why are you doing this? Why are you spending the state coffers on developing scholarships? So Nizam al-Mulk said, you have an army in the day. I'm giving you an army of the night. These scholars are the Jayshul Layl. They are the army of the night, because what they do at night and what they do in terms of reviving scholarship, promoting scholarship in their du'as and the dhikr and the ibadat is what keeps your government in power. So you can see the amount of piety. This great, social engineer, you might want to call him, this great philanthropist and this great visionary introduced into the Muslim community. And as you can see, Ghazali is a direct beneficiary of his investments. So if you invest this way, you'll get the Ghazalis of the ages. And also, this was just about the time when Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani, rahimahullah, after a couple of decades, came into Baghdad and so on. So that you see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave these people wisdom, that once the state understands the importance of developing scholarship in schools and colleges and universities, then a civilization grows and then it succeeds. Okay?